This model is Hidalgo Real, single detached. The floor area is 44 square meter or 473 square feet. Lot area 120 square meter or 1,291 square feet. Unit type 2 bedroom and 1 CR. So this is the surrounding. Let's go to main entrance. This is now the main entrance, and this is the living room. The living room, okay. This is the dining area. Near the dining area is the kitchen area. This is the counter sink. This is the bedroom number 1. Let's look at the settings. Okay. This is the bathroom. And this is the bedroom number 2. The closet.